up, y'all? It's DG. I'm about to show y'all how to work the grill, how to start it up. It's the charcoal. I'm a king with the charcoal. I'm about to show y'all how hot y'all grill needs to be before you start cooking your meat, all of that. So just stay tuned. Here we go. All right, y'all, let's get straight to it. All right. How much charcoal to put in there? Depends on what you're cooking. If you're cooking a lot, you put a lot of charcoal. You're not cooking that much, don't put that much charcoal. Or put as much as you want, depending on how much heat you want. So, the steaks, I want a lot of heat. And then mind you, I got steaks and I got 8 turkey burgers. And I got some salmon. So, I'm putting a nice amount on here. This is a nice amount. This is a pretty nice size charcoal grill too. So, you know, you want to turn it, you want these coals to be kind of in a pyramid, you know? Kind of in a pyramid. Where's the highest at is where it's going to be the hottest at. Put them on there, bow, bow. There we go. There we go, there we go. All right. Now, lighter fluid. Lighter fluid. You know. I don't know if you can use too much. I like to use a lot just to get it going. I don't like to be set my fire over and over again. Some people put, sometimes I do too, put paper under the charcoal, put the lighter fluid on the paper, but that's doing it. This is the easy way. Just do it easy, feel me? Got me a long type grill lighter, so I don't have to use any paper. If you don't have a grill lighter, then you would just light some paper. I always rip up the charcoal bag and light that. It's good paper to light. Light it down at the bottom. Just be careful. Go to work. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Woof, now that's a fire. Right now, yeah. Got it lit, got it lit. Let's move the charcoal, not the charcoal, the lighter fluid out the way, you know. I'm scared it might blow up like Final Destination or something. All right. Yep. Now, while that's firing up, it's gonna take about 15, 20 minutes for all the coals to turn gray. And that's what I want. I want all the coals to turn mostly gray, like 80% gray before I start cooking, because that's how hot I want it to be. You know what I mean? That's the hottest it gets once they all gray. That's the way to go. 15, 20 minutes. Should be lit as long as you lit it right. They got the automatic light charcoal too, so you don't have to even use lighter fluid. But I never use that, so I don't know. You feel me? All right, so I'm about to go season these steaks because you don't want to have the seasoning sitting on the steaks too long. You want to season them right before you cook them. And you don't want to cook them until the grill is all the way heated up. All the way. Like, all the way. You want your grill to be hot, hot. That's the first thing I put on the grill when I got steaks. So if I'm making steaks, that's the first thing I'm putting on the grill because it needs to be hot, hot on the grill and it just needs to cook for a couple minutes. So, all right, here I go. All right, y'all. Nah, the grill heated all the way up. You see them charcoals? They all the way gray. They all the way good. And they just got that way. That's what you want. You want to season it. You want to season it. You want to season your fire. Go ahead, season your fire. Yep. Season that fire. Season it. Woo! Season it with whatever you want. Yeah, you're supposed to season it. Matter of fact, season it before you do the fire. Season your charcoal, y'all. That's all. That's all. Season your charcoal. All right, what's next? Here we go. Season your charcoal. That's what I do. Season my motherfucking charcoal. Ooh. Here it popping. Here it popping. Yeah, season the charcoal. That's what's up. There we go. Season your charcoal. Here we go. About to throw these steaks on, baby.